One of the names that we're seeing more and more is F5. I'm talking today to Nathan Pearce, who's going to tell us more. Nathan, tell us more. Tell us about the company to start with.
Certainly. So F5 Networks, we are the provider of application delivery networking technology. So that, for people who aren't familiar with that space, that market, it's all about keeping applications and services highly available, performing fast, and being very secure. And bringing those three things together in a single integrated platform, which effectively, keeping the internet running and customers and consumers happy.
We're talking to you at the Cloud World Forum.
Yes.
I saw you at an LTE event earlier in the week. You seem to be everywhere.
Yeah, no, it was great to be at that LTE event when we won an award for best networking technology there. We are growing in the solution's always maturing, but then the market's really what's caught up in more recent time. So people are starting to kind of see the benefits of stepping away from these static, kind of rigid data center networks, from siloing, and they're really starting to appreciate what virtualization and network agility can bring. And F5 being a kind of leader in this field, that's why you're seeing kind of more and more of us. We're bringing more and more dynamic data center solutions to the market while not compromising on security or performance. There are vendors out there that will do kind of one element but not the others. Because we can bring them all together, the security, performance, and agility and delivery, then that's the increase, I think.
Yeah, so it's the classic one-stop solution, really, which people want. They don't want to sort of go to several suppliers, do they?
Correct. I mean, because then you've got the problems of different management technologies to look after, and just an array of different problems that could go wrong. A lot of the outages we hear from our customers is actually at the keyboard. So if you've got 4 or 5 technologies to manage to do the same thing that F5 could deliver, that's 4 or 5 different areas things could go wrong. So definitely.
No, it's a very busy week here, quite a vibrant event. What's your what do you see as next in cloud? Where do you see it going in the next couple of years?
Good question. So this is obviously pretty important to us, hence why we're here at this event. Our cloud strategies are a big part of F5. So what we're seeing, this abstraction and agility in the network, that's kind of step one, stepping away from this siloing. And the next kind of evolution of that is actually being able to have hybrid implementations where certain elements of it are running in your private data centers, maybe for governance reasons, because that data has to stay private and be accountable for, but there are many other services that don't have to be. So being able to have this kind of live, more agile, some of it inheriting from software as a service providers, some from platform as a service providers, some might be just using Dropbox or Evernote or smaller utilities like that. But a combination of all of these things, that's where we kind of see it all going, but doing all of that under a single reusable framework. So security policy that can be replicated instead of having to look after all these different point solutions, which brings with it opportunity for problem.
Okay, Nathan, a pleasure to talk to you. Thanks for explaining it all to us.
Thank you.